So good morning. So we got a Lincoln MKZ here. Got to fix all the ghetto wiring. So let's see what we ghetto, ghetto, in the ghetto, in the ghetto, in the ghetto. In the ghetto, in the ghetto, in the ghetto, in the ghetto. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to extend all the outputs with some 9-wire speed cable around over to the amplifier, and then my signal in, I'm going to take some speed to those and then go to the DSR1. So watch that for me. Whoa! Of course you gotta watch Doug while you're working.
Clear coat.
Oh yeah, Doug.
Once we hydro dip the panel, we'll have to clear coat and then wet sand it to give it that illustrious sheen.
So I'm mounting the amplifier on the back of the plate. It's going there. Stuff's a little cleaned up. We're getting there.
Come on, Bana, we need more promise. Feeling marijuana, snake bite, anaconda. I'm in the Bana with one to try to mess my persona.
We got it all in. With the DSR1 there. The amps back there. Still got a mess to clean up, but it sounded pretty good. I sound pretty good. Do they? Oh yeah. Better than this. Screaming. He's gonna be so happy. He just saw bad this was. You ever seen this one before? I didn't see it. Oh, everything was just on the back. I hit the amp there. You didn't put an amplifier in. You said you were gonna add an amp. Right, I did. That shit hidden. Got it all back together. See if it looks any better. So you got your bass there. Your highs amps back there. And you got your subs. Looks so much better. Let's see how she sounds.
in order. Give us all the jewelry, lost it and turned on the oven. He wasn't playing, blew out the flame and started inhaling. Burying the secret too deep.